All right.
Should we jump into this one?
Let's do this.
This is one of our favorites on our website. And we
gosh.
put it on the website not long ago and it exploded.
Everyone
So,
loved it.
We're showing you.
Okay, so we're gonna have like 1.5 pounds to 2 pounds of chicken. And a little button that says less, normal, or more. We're just gonna keep it at normal because it's fine. All right, so saute, then it's going to beep for you. After you push the saute button, it's gonna start heating up. Once it gets hot, I kind of just test it a little bit. Once it's hot, then I add my oil and other things.
How long does it take to get hot?
Sometimes like 2 minutes, sometimes like 5. Lots
Just
of times,
depends.
even before it's hot, I'll just start cooking.
Yeah.
'Cause I'm in a hurry. It is what it is.
Right? This is real life.
Exactly. All right, so once it's heated up, we're just gonna add, what, about a tablespoon, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. We're just gonna drizzle that into the top of the pot. Now I like when my oil gets hot and then I do a trick and I lift my pot up and just kind of wiggle my oil around so it covers all the bottom of my Instant Pot.
Well, there you go.
There you go.
Kristen's gets scared to touch raw chicken, so that's why I'm doing it.
I appreciate that.
If your oil's hot, it should sizzle at this point.
Yes.
Ours is still warming up, but that's okay.
You can hear it a little bit. Now, this makes a lot of rice, but the timing will be the same. You cook it for the same amount. All right, so once the chicken starts to cook on the bottom, you kind of just flip it around a little bit. I kind of stir as I go. Is that horrible?
No, that's what I do too, just to make sure that it all gets evenly cooked. I'm gonna throw the onion in there too.
Please do.
Just to add some more flavor. Let that cook in the oil.
Nice. I think that's one of my favorite smells is cooking chicken and onions together.
Well, let's make it even better and add some garlic.
All right, how much garlic?
We love it.
I don't like pressing my garlic.
Yep. Okay, so the seasonings we're gonna add, I'm just doing like a teaspoon of all this. Don't feel like you need to measure it out. I think a Rachel Ray would say.
Yeah, and I think a little bit of flavor too. It gives it some saute.
100%. So now, from this point, it's just kind of a dump and go.
Right?
So we're adding in 2 cups of rice. Now in the recipe, it says it a little bit differently, but we're showing you this is up to you.
Yep.
But I'm just gonna go ahead.
We don't judge by the liquid. And I think we're good to go.
Good to go.
So we have our lid now, we're all ready to go. Now remember, while we were putting this together, it's still on saute, which is okay. I guess I should put the lid on correctly, huh? Okay, so we're putting the lid on. We're gonna turn this little knob to sealing, not venting. Make sure I can see this here. Now, because it is on saute, first you have to push cancel. So you're gonna push the keep warm cancel button just to turn it all the way off. Then you're gonna push the manual button. Now, if you don't have a manual button, you'll have a pressure cook button. It's the same thing, manual, pressure cook, you're good. All right, so then we're gonna go up to 6 minutes. Now we can do 6 minutes because our chicken is little. It's already been sauteed. The rice only takes about 6 to 7-ish minutes. So you heard it little beep. Once it says on, you can just walk away. So it's all done cooking. We cooked it for about 6 minutes. You can go up to 7 if you want, but because it's done, we're gonna turn it over to a quick release. Here we go. Once all the pressure's out, then you can open the lid. Just beware of the steam because it gets toasty. All right, so if you can see this. Now it looks like there's a lot of liquid on top, but once you mix it around,
I think you could ask for anything more.